Dear children, welcome to Maths Magic. Today we are going to do a question from the first chapter, Real Numbers. Prove that root 5 is irrational. To prove that root 5 is irrational, we can use a proof by contradiction. Step 1. Assume that root 5 is rational, meaning it can be expressed as the fraction a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Step 2. Square both sides of the equation. Root 5 equal to a by b. To get rid of the square root. Root 5 square equal to a by b the whole square. 5 equal to a square by b square. Step 3. Rearrange the equation to isolate a square. That is 5b square equal to a square. Step 4. This implies that a square is a multiple of 5. So, a is also a multiple of 5. Let's say a equal to 5k for some integer k. Step 5. Substitute a equal to 5k into the equation 5b square equal to a square. So, 5b square equal to 5k the whole square. 5b square equal to 25k square. So, b square equal to 5k square. Step 6. This means that b square is also a multiple of 5. So, b is also a multiple of 5. Step 7. Now we have found that both a and b are multiples of 5, which contradicts our initial assumption that a and b have no common factors other than 1. Therefore, our assumption that root 5 is rational must be false. Conclusion. As a result, we have proved by contradiction that root 5 is irrational. See you in the next video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.